up the ViscoFLUX Mobile, and you can see this. This is a unit with a plate inside the drum here with a wiper blade that will allow the drum to be totally evacuated. While you're evacuating, you're wiping down the side wall of the drum. Now, we've all drank a milkshake, and we know that when the milkshake is full, we have no problem, but at the end, you have to start stabbing the straw around and stirring it. So that's what could happen in an application where you're successfully pumping the drum down just with a bare pump, but then about 20% less, you start running into problems. So this is the solution. Is this? I'll hold this up again, but you can see that this unit comes with a pump and the plate with the wiper. Now you can see that this pump actually rides on top of the plate and rides down with it as it goes down into the drum. The next image I'm going to show you is what happens when you have a baggy liner, and you can see the end result is that this unit has emptied this entire drum, no residual product. At the end, there's an air line that will assist in raising this plate back up. Now, we also have, well, let's talk about the price point. This runs between $25,000 and $30,000, depending on whether we have an industrial version or a sanitary version. That's you know, in the marketplace, that's a really good price, but you know, it can be too much for certain customers. In which case, we have the ViscoFLUX Lite, and that's one without all the bells and whistles. And basically, it's a plate that sits on top of the drum with a supporting bracket, and you slide the pump through, and it'll pump it down in a similar manner, including whether it has a baggy liner or not. There are competitors out there. One is Graco, and we've got the potential ability to adapt a flux pump. I'm just showing the stator housing here, but we could substitute our stator housing with this stator housing, and then may potentially adapt to a Graco ram unit. So we're looking for a couple applications here to try that out. Also want to show you the inside of these pumps. There's this flexible shaft here, and this has served us well for many decades, but there's an option to this if there are ever breakage issues, and that's a cardan shaft. And I'm not sure if anybody knows this exists within our product line, but it's a little heavier duty, and if you ever run into an issue with breakage of the shafts, we have a solution.